Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Arun Mhatre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar East. Today's topic is C&D chapter number 4, Data Link Layer Part 2. The learning course outcomes are error detection. Cyclic redundancy check is one of the method of error detection, and second method is checksum. First we will see the what is error detection. Error detection uses the concept of redundancy, which means adding extra bits for detecting errors at the destination. So a number of techniques are available new for the error detection and correction. Error detection is the process of detecting the error during the transmission between the sender and receiver. So a few codes or bits in association with the data are appended to the data units so that the service can detect the presence of error by using a simple algorithm. Redundancy allows a service to check whether the received data was corrupted during the transmission, and redundancy is a concept of using the extra bits used in error detection. That means a redundancy allows at the receiver side during the transmission. That means redundancy is a concept of adding the extra bits to detect the error. So redundant bits are called a parity bit, or it may odd or even. So odd and even parity signifies that the total number of ones. That means if the total number of ones count is odd, then it is a odd parity. If the total number of count of ones one is even, that means it's a even parity. Odd parity means total number of count of one, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. This is called the odd parity. And when the total number of ones count is even, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, etc., it is called a even parity. Error detection is the detection of the errors caused by the noise or other impairments during the transmission from transmitter to the receiver. So whenever a message is transmitted, it may get scrambled by noise or data may get corrupted. So to avoid this, we use the error detecting codes, which are additional data added to a given digital message to help to detect the errors. So if any error is occurred during the transmission of message, the various methods are used to detect the errors, and the methods are: first is a repetition code, second one is a vertical redundancy check or a parity check, third one is a longitudinal redundancy check, fourth one is a cyclic redundancy check, and fifth one is a checksum. These are the methods are used in a error detection technique. So in this lecture we will learn about the cyclic redundancy check and checksum. Cyclic redundancy check, CRC. CRC is the most powerful technique of the redundancy checking. VRC and LRC, which are based on additional CRC, is based on a binary division. So in a CRC, the desired sequence of redundant bits are generated and appended to the end of data unit. It also called as a CRC reminder, so that the resulting data unit become exactly divisible by the predetermined binary unit number. The sender performs a division operation on the bit being sent and calculate the remainder. Before sending an actual bit, sender adds a reminder at the end of the actual bits, and the actual data bits plus reminder is called a code word. So data transmit a data bits as a code words. Here the diagram showing the CRC generator and checker. Receiver, CRC receiver sends a data including a CRC bit which is divisible by the data, and we will get the remainder. So 0 and non-zero and reject. So remainder may be a 0, may be a non-zero. At the sender side, data including the CRC bits which is divisible by which add a divisor, that is n plus 1 bit is over there, we gives a reminder and then we get the CRC bits. CRC example. Suppose the divisor is 1101 and the data send is 100100. Then what will be the actual packet contents prepared by the using CRC? The actual data is 100100 and we add a 3 extra zeros in the original data at the sender side and the data is divisible by the 1101. After the calculation, after the division, that means when the first bit of the division is empty, after that when 1 and 0 is over there, when a different bits are over there, we will have to keep it 1. When same bits are subtracted from there, that is 0 0 is 0 and 1 1 is 0. After the calculation, we got the data is 100. After that, we get a 1 0 from upper side, that is the data will be a 1 3 times of 0. Then those data is divisible by the 1101. After that, when the different bits are occur over there, that means the answer is 1. If the same bits are occur over there, that is 0. That is 1 0 1 ka 0 1 answer is 1, 0 0 answer is 0 and 1 0 answer is 1. So after the calculation, we get the remainder is 0 0 1. So the CRC bit plus remainder is sent by the sender to the receiver, that is 100, 100 and 001. CRC example 2. Suppose the receiver received and sender and receiver both use. That means data is received is 100 including CRC bit, that is 001 and 1101 is a divisor. So what receiver will do with the packet whenever it will accept or reject it? He will accept the packet when the data is matched, that is result remainder will be become 0. After the result, if result is non-zero, then the packet is rejected. So again we calculate the data including CRC bit and divisible by the 1101. So when the resultant, that is remainder, is become 0, the packet will be accepted by the receiver, otherwise packet is rejected by the receiver. Second method is the checksum. So checksum is the error detection method. A checksum of a message is a modular arithmetic sum of message code words of a fixed word length, that is byte values. The sum may be neglected by the means of the one complement operation prior to the transmission to detect the error resulting in all 0 messages. So checksum is an error detection technique based on the concept of redundancy, and it is divided by the checksum generator and checksum checker. Checksum generator. A checksum generated at the sending side. A checksum generator is subdivide the data into equal segments of n bits, and all these segments are added together by using the ones complement arithmetic. The sum of complemented and appended to the original data known as the checksum field. The extended data is transmitted across the network. A sender follows the given steps. A block unit is divided into a k section and each of bits. All the k sections are added together by using the ones complement and get the sum. The sum is complemented and it becomes a checksum field. So original data and checksum field are sent to the across the network. Checksum checker. A checksum is verified at the receiving side. The receiver subdivides the incoming data into equal segments of n bits. and all these segments are added together, and then this sum is complemented. If the complement of the sum is 0, then the data is accepted, otherwise data is rejected. So receiver side follow the given steps. A block of unit is divided into k sections and each of n bits. All the k sections are added together by using one's complement algorithm to get the sum. Then the sum is complemented. So if the result of the sum is 0, then the data is accepted, otherwise data is discarded, that means rejected. Here the diagram of the checksum. So sender sends a number of bits, creating a number of sections of the equal number of bits, and send the packet to the receiver side. So data plus checksum bits are added together and sent by the sender to the receiver. So receiver receive a packet including the data and checksum bits. After that, complement bit, that is the checksum bits are calculated. When the result is 0, the packet is accepted, otherwise packet is rejected by the receiver. Example of checksum is, suppose the following block of the 16 bit is to be sent using a checksum of 8 bits. That is, data is 1010 1111 1 103 4 times of 0 110. The sum of the bits are, when the bits are different, that means 1 plus 0 is 1. When the bits are same, that is 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry over 1. So at the third bit there are the 3 ones, that is carry 1 bit, and 2 there 2 bits, that is 1 1 plus 0 carry 1, and 0 1 is equals to 1. So 1 1 0 is 0, then carry 1 0 plus 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So sum is obtained by 11110101, and the checksum bit is 00001010. That means we change the bit from 1 to 0 and 0 to 1, and the pattern is sent by the sender to the receiver is original data including checksum bit. The second example is, find the checksum byte using the modulo 256 addition of the following data bytes. The data is 10101010 11001100. Here the data words are added together, and checksum bit is 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry 1. Thank you.